Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the vocabulary of telephone technology in the French-speaking world. The first word we have is the smartphone, and borrowed from English. In French we have le smartphone. Le smartphone. Another word for smartphone is le téléphone intelligent. Le téléphone intelligent. The cell phone, le téléphone cellulaire. Le téléphone cellulaire. The word téléphone is often omitted, and you will see just, or hear just, le cellulaire. Le cellulaire. The portable phone, le téléphone portable. Le téléphone portable. The word téléphone is also often omitted, so you will see or hear le portable. Le portable. And note also that the word portable is often also used to just mean cell phone. Another word, the mobile phone, le téléphone mobile. Le téléphone mobile. Téléphone is also often omitted, and you will see or hear simply le mobile. Le mobile. Mobile is also often used to just mean cell phone as well. We also have the basic word telephone, which is le téléphone. Le téléphone. The plural form of that, the telephones, les téléphones. Les téléphones. If you wish to say a telephone or a telephone, un téléphone. Un téléphone. Some telephones, or simply telephones, des téléphones. Des téléphones. My telephone, mon téléphone. Mon téléphone. Your telephone, votre téléphone. Votre téléphone. Here are a few questions with some of this vocabulary. Where is my smartphone? Où est mon smartphone? Où est mon smartphone? Où est mon smartphone? Do you have a cell phone? Avez-vous un portable? Avez-vous un portable? Avez-vous un portable? And note this is the formal you. I want to buy a new phone. Je veux acheter un nouveau téléphone. Je veux acheter un nouveau téléphone.